Why your Japan trip needs this packing list. Imagine standing in the serene Arashiyama bamboo grove or walking through the iconic torii gates at Fushimi Inari Shrine, only to realize you forgot something essential. That's why this ultimate packing list for Japan is here to save the day. Japan's unique climate, culture, and advanced transportation system require thoughtful preparation. With this packing guide, you'll be ready to fully immerse yourself in the experience without any unnecessary stress. Essential clothing and footwear. Packing the right clothing and footwear is key to enjoying your trip to Japan, where you'll likely experience diverse weather and walk a lot during your adventures. Lightweight, breathable fabrics. If you're traveling during Japan's hot and humid summer, opt for fabrics like cotton or linen to stay comfortable. T-shirts and shorts are perfect for long days of exploration, light jackets and waterproof layers. For spring or fall, bring a light jacket for cooler evenings. During the rainy season, which is June through July, a waterproof jacket or poncho is a must. Comfortable shoes. Whether you're strolling through Kyoto, exploring Tokyo's vibrant streets, or visiting temples, comfortable walking shoes are non-negotiable. Choose sneakers or walking shoes with good cushioning. Additionally, keep in mind that many temples and traditional tea houses require you to remove your shoes, so consider packing shoes that are easy to slip on and off. For winter trips, pack a heavy coat, thermal layers, and warm accessories like gloves and scarves to stay cozy in the cold. If you plan on hiking or exploring rural areas, sturdy hiking boots are essential. For beach trips or relaxing days, pack a pair of comfortable sandals. If you have any formal events or business meetings, bring appropriate attire like a suit or dress. Layering is key in Japan's variable climate, so pack versatile pieces that you can mix and match. Don't forget sun protection. A hat, sunglasses, and sunscreen are essential for sunny days. Accessories like scarves, hats, and gloves can add extra warmth and style to your outfits. A small day pack or crossbody bag is perfect for carrying your daily essentials while exploring. If you're interested in cultural experiences, consider packing or renting traditional Japanese attire like a kimono for special occasions. Always be prepared for sudden weather changes by packing a compact, foldable raincoat or umbrella. Sweaters and cardigans are great for layering and can be easily added or removed as the temperature changes. For added security, consider a belt bag or fanny pack to keep your valuables close and safe. In crowded areas or during flu season, wearing a face mask can help protect your health. A watch or smartwatch can be handy for keeping track of time and staying on schedule. Waterproof footwear is also a good idea if you're visiting during the rainy season. Hoodies are versatile and comfortable, perfect for casual outings or layering. A windbreaker can be useful for breezy days or coastal areas. Thermal layers are essential for staying warm during winter trips. A waterproof hat can keep you dry and comfortable during rainy days. Lastly, don't forget travel accessories like a neck pillow for long flights or train rides. Smart essentials and gadgets. Japan's modern conveniences make travel easier, but a few smart gadgets can elevate your experience even more. Adapter and voltage converter. Japan uses Type A or Type B outlets with a 100-volt voltage. Bring a compatible adapter and a voltage converter if your devices aren't dual voltage. Portable charger. With a packed itinerary and heavy reliance on your phone for navigation, translations, and photos, a high-capacity power bank is a lifesaver. Translation app or phrasebook. Although many Japanese people are friendly and helpful, not everyone speaks English. A phrasebook or apps like Google Translate can be incredibly useful in making your trip smoother. Noise-canceling headphones. Long flights and busy city streets can be overwhelming. A good pair of noise-canceling headphones can help you relax and enjoy your journey. Smart luggage tracker. Keep track of your bags with a smart luggage tracker. It provides peace of mind, especially when navigating busy airports. Portable Wi-Fi hotspot. Staying connected is crucial. A portable Wi-Fi hotspot ensures you have internet access wherever you go, making it easier to navigate and stay in touch. Smart water bottle. Staying hydrated is important. A smart water bottle can remind you to drink water and track your intake, ensuring you stay refreshed throughout your trip. Digital luggage scale. Avoid overweight baggage fees by using a digital luggage scale. It's a small but essential gadget for any traveler. Smart lock. Secure your belongings with a smart lock. It adds an extra layer of security and can be easily managed through your smartphone. Travel pillow. Comfort is key during long journeys. A good travel pillow can make a significant difference in your comfort level, ensuring you arrive at your destination well-rested. Smart Notebook. Keep your notes organized with a smart notebook. It allows you to digitize your notes and access them from any device, making it easier to keep track of your travel plans. Portable air purifier. Ensure clean air wherever you go with a portable air purifier. It's especially useful in hotel rooms or areas with poor air quality. Smart luggage scale. Avoid overweight baggage fees by using a smart luggage scale. It's a small but essential gadget for any traveler. Smart lock. Secure your belongings with a smart lock. It adds an extra layer of security and can be easily managed through your smartphone. Smart luggage tracker. Keep track of your bags with a smart luggage tracker. It provides peace of mind, especially when navigating busy airports. Preparation is essential when it comes to travel documents and money in Japan. Always keep your passport handy and ensure your visa requirements are completed well in advance if necessary. The Japan Rail Pass is a must-have for efficient and cost-effective travel on Japan's Shinkansen and local trains. It's convenient and saves you both time and money. While Japan is modern, many small shops, restaurants, and buses only accept cash. Be sure to have a small amount of yen for immediate expenses when you arrive. ATMs are widely available in Japan, especially in convenience stores and post offices. However, not all ATMs accept foreign cards, so look for international ATMs. It's a good idea to check the exchange rates before you travel and exchange some money beforehand to get a better rate. Besides your passport and visa, consider carrying copies of important documents like your travel insurance, itinerary, and emergency contacts. Download travel apps that can help you navigate, translate, and book tickets. These can be lifesavers in a foreign country. To protect your personal information, consider using an RFID blocking wallet to prevent electronic pickpocketing. Keep all your important documents in a travel pouch for easy access and organization. Credit cards are accepted in many places, but it's always good to have cash as a backup. Mobile payment options like Apple Pay and Google Pay are becoming more common, but not universally accepted. Finally, always double-check your flight details and keep your boarding pass handy for a smooth travel experience. Smart packing techniques can save you time, space, and hassle during your trip. Compression bags or vacuum-sealed bags are great for maximizing space in your suitcase, especially if you need to bring layers or plan to shop during your trip. Japan's transportation system is fantastic, but you'll often need to navigate stairs or crowded train stations, so traveling light makes this much easier. Items like large towels or toiletries can be left behind since most hotels and accommodations in Japan provide them. Packing cubes are a game changer for keeping your suitcase organized. They come in various sizes and help you categorize your items, making it easier to find what you need without unpacking everything. Rolling your clothes instead of folding them can save a significant amount of space and reduce wrinkles. This technique is especially useful for t-shirts, jeans, and other casual wear. Use shoe bags to keep your footwear separate from your clothes. This not only keeps your suitcase clean, but also helps in organizing your items better. Bringing a small amount of portable laundry detergent allows you to wash clothes in your hotel sink, which is perfect for longer trips. This way, you can pack fewer clothes and still have fresh outfits. Opt for travel-sized toiletries and TSA-approved bottles to save space and comply with airline regulations. Packing them in a clear bag also speeds up security checks. Choose multi-purpose clothing that can be layered and mixed and matched. This not only saves space, but also ensures you're prepared for different weather conditions. Don't forget a portable charger for your electronic devices. It's a lifesaver when you're out exploring and can't find a power outlet. A reusable water bottle is essential. Not only does it keep you hydrated, but it also reduces plastic waste. Many places in Japan have refill stations, making it easy to stay refreshed. Packing smartly for Japan ensures a stress-free and enjoyable adventure. Be sure to check the description for tour recommendations from Viator, Get Your Guide, and G Adventures to make your trip even more unforgettable. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.